As you can see, the truck starts, it runs, brand new AC system, got a brand new DPF filter, got a brand new clutch in it, 381,000 original miles. The only issue is this yellow mil indicator, which I have the paperwork. It's been diagnosed by Freightliner 3 times, and all 3 times it's a 559 code, which they say is a fuel rail system issue. They say that it can be so many different things, it would take them a long time to diagnose it. So Freightliner said whenever I bring it back, if I bring it back up there, they'll look into it again. They didn't charge me anything else to figure out what this code is. Coolant lines are new, torsion bars, rear diff seal, input seal, a lot of brand new stuff on this truck. It's a day cab. I'm no longer running locally, so putting it up for sale. If you have any other questions, feel free to message me. My asking price is negotiable, but I'm trying to keep it. I'm gonna try to be fair with the pricing considering the market, but it's negotiable. If you're interested, serious buyers only, no scammers. Truck is ready to go. No issues. So other than the 559 code, thank you for your time.